Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need a clear starting point. Choose a niche and get a raw-capable editor. Once installed, import a small batch of 10 raw files and cull ruthlessly. Pick 3 to edit. Begin with exposure, white balance, and crop. These change everything quickly. Make adjustments in simple, repeatable steps so you learn cause and effect. As you go, save a preset for each correction you repeat. This creates immediate momentum and builds a consistent process you can refine. Now focus on a reliable workflow that reduces decision fatigue. First, organize files with consistent folders, tags, and ratings so you can find work later. Then edit non-destructively. Use virtual copies, layers, and masks so every change is reversible. Progress from global corrections to local tweaks. Exposure, then selective dodge and burn, then color grading. Learn to order sharpening and noise reduction last. Once you have a repeatable pipeline, you'll finish edits by exporting with consistent specs, resolution, compression percent, and color profile for the target medium. Publish a curated portfolio of 10 strong images and ask peers for specific critiques to iterate quickly. Pursue small paid projects to learn delivery and client communication. Make sure to version originals and exports for proofs. Troubleshooting tip. If colors shift on export or web, embed sRGB and check monitor calibration. If prints look wrong, proof with soft proofing and adjust for printer ICC profiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.